Hello, welcome back to Leanna-TV. I'm Leanna, your host, and I am so grateful to serve the wonderful people of Edmonton in real estate. Today is episode 4. Now, if you loved episode 3, you're gonna die of excitement for episode 4. Why? Because I'm gonna teach you how to sell above list price. Okay, DIY home hack number 1, closets. Closets are one of the most overlooked areas, and I'm going to tell you right now, the people who care are one of the biggest influencers in the home purchase. It's the woman. Why? If your closet is jam-packed, it can be a huge turnoff for a buyer. Many buyers are upsizing, and if that's the case, you want to give somebody the impression the second they walk in, there's space. So how do we do that? I'm going to give you a home hack to do immediately. Here's a tip. Take half of your items and remove them. It'll give the buyer the impression of space right away. Use a couple little storage containers, make it neat and tidy. Don't forget to also do your kitchen cabinets because women will open the cupboards and have a look inside. This is one of the best tips to win the day every time. Tip number 2, curb appeal. There is nothing quite like a junkyard to scare off your prospective buyer. Use these beautiful spring days that we've got and maximize the opportunity. Get yourself outside, get your family outside, mow your lawn, trim your hedges, take your kids' bikes, put them in the garage, clean up that garden hose, get some planters, plant some flowers. Those are some of the easiest, quickest things, honestly, that when your prospective buyer drives up with their agent, you will pave the way for an offer. And this was an above list offer. So thank you so much for watching episode 4 of Leanna-TV. Don't forget, share, like, and subscribe if you found this useful. And click the little notification bell below to make sure you don't miss the next episode, episode 5, everything you need to know about appraisals. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.